Dear students, welcome to StudyBus, the online study channel. Today we are going to study computer subject for class 2. Let's have the overview. Chapter name is 3. Chapter name is Operating a Computer. Book name is AI and You. Steps to start a computer. What all steps we should follow while starting a computer? First, switch on the power supply button. Second, turn on the UPS. Third, press the power button on the CPU box. And fourth, switch on the monitor. So these are the proper steps which we should follow while starting a computer. A screen appears on the monitor. This screen is called the desktop. It indicates that a computer is ready to use. You can see icons on the desktop and start button and taskbar. Info box. The process of starting a computer is known as booting. The process of turning off a computer is called shutting down. Parts of the desktop. Icons, which we have seen in the last image. These are the small pictures present on the desktop. What is taskbar? The long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar. This bar contains many icons. Start buttons. The start button is used to open any program on the computer. It is present at the rightmost corner of the taskbar. Shutting down a computer. How we should shut down a computer properly? Let's know this. Turning off a computer directly from the main power button can harm it. Yes, therefore you must always follow the proper method. To shut down a computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the start button. The power button appears. Click on it. Click on the shutdown button. Wait till the CPU switches off. Step 4. Switch off the monitor. Step 5. Turn off the UPS. Step 6. Switch off the power supply button. Note: to keep the UPS charged, the main power supply button is generally kept on. We have completed our chapter here, and now let's do the exercise. Tick the correct answer. Which of the following appears on the screen after booting? Options are Paint, Desktop and Notepad. So the correct option is Desktop. Second question, what does UPS stands for? Used power stock, unwanted power supply, uninterrupted power supply. So C is the correct option. Uninterrupted power supply is the full form for UPS. Third, which of the following is not a part of desktop screen? UPS, taskbar and start button. So in the previous image we have seen taskbar, start button and icons were displayed on the desktop screen. But UPS, no. UPS is a small box which provide power supply to the computer. So the option A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 4. Which of the following is the last step to turn on a computer? Switch on the monitor, press the main power supply, switch on the UPS. So switch on the monitor is the last step to turn on a computer. Now fill in the blanks. Computer is an electronic machine. Turning off a computer is known as shutting down. Dash is a long bar present at the bottom of the desktop. So taskbar is a long bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Dash are the small pictures of the desktop. Icons is the answer for fourth number. That is, icons are the small pictures on the desktop. Now, true and false. The process of starting a computer is called booting. So this is true. A taskbar is present at the bottom of the desktop. This is also true. You can directly switch off the main power supply button to shut down a computer. This is false because it can harm your computer. Fourth, the start button is present at the rightmost corner of the taskbar. So this is also true. Here we have completed our chapter operating a computer. Hope it is clear, and if you have any problem you can watch the video again. Thanks for studying with StudyBuzz.